Since the Wright brothers took to the air in Kitty Hawk over 100 years ago, our skies are filled with all manners of aircraft. With hundreds of thousands of aircraft in the skies at once, it's not strange to find that we also have more aviation moments worth remembering. Felix Baumgartner's record-breaking freefall. The world was left speechless by Felix Baumgartner's record-breaking freefall from the stratosphere. This fearless Austrian daredevil flew through the air in a stratospheric balloon in 2012, climbing ever higher into the stars. He stood on the edge of his capsule as he attained the astounding altitude of 128,100 feet, or 39,045 meters. Baumgartner leapt into the void, the curvature of the Earth stretching out before him and the emptiness of space calling. Time seemed to stop for a split second as he accelerated towards Earth at supersonic speed, shattering the sound barrier and changing history itself. With the Earth rotating beneath him and the atmosphere becoming visible as he descended to lower altitudes, the video footage perfectly captures the sheer intensity of his descent. Baumgartner's parachute finally opened, and after a triumphant descent that lasted 4 minutes and 20 seconds, he gracefully floated to the ground. In addition to pushing the envelope of human endurance, this amazing feat produced invaluable scientific info for upcoming space exploration. With his daring leap, Baumgartner redefined what was possible and made his mark on aviation history. Honestly, we just enjoyed the footage. Yves Rossi flying alongside an airliner. Next, be prepared to be astounded by Jetman Yves Rossi's exhilarating encounter with an Emirates Airbus A380. This is a spectacle that pushes the limits of what humans are capable of in the sky. Rossi, also known as the Jetman, put on his specially made jet-powered wingsuit and took to the air in a breathtaking display of audacity and creativity. Rossi joined the enormous A380 in mid-air as it soared through the skies while wearing a stylish carbon fiber wingsuit that was fitted with jet engines. The captivating scene of Rossi deftly navigating alongside the enormous plane is captured on camera, showcasing the harmonious interaction between man and machine. Rossi displays the true artistry of human flight against the background of the limitless sky. He also performs breathtaking aerobatics with exact control, defying gravity with loops, spins, and dives. Viewers are kept on the edge of their seats by the incredible speed and grace of his flight. This remarkable encounter shows how human ingenuity and aeronautical marvels can coexist. Who ever thought that one day a man would be able to match speed with a jet airliner in flight? Harrison Ford crash lands on a golf course. 2015, the world held its breath for a moment as Hollywood legend Harrison Ford unexpectedly found himself in a real-life aviation drama. Imagine this: classic aircraft flying through the sky on a gorgeous day with the experienced pilot Ford at the controls. But then, of course, something unexpected occurred. Ford's aircraft lost power as the engine sputtered and controlled panic ensued. Ford expertly piloted his plane toward a nearby golf course in a split-second decision, narrowly avoiding disaster. The tense moments as the plane skimmed the fairways and flew just above the treetops are caught on camera. The dramatic and breathtaking landing was fueled by adrenaline. Ford performed a textbook crash landing, expertly controlling his aircraft to lessen the impact. He did this with steely nerves and the instincts of an experienced pilot. The legendary actor miraculously survived the incident, becoming a real-life hero in their midst as the golfers on the course gasped in shock. This terrifying incident demonstrated Ford's dexterity and exceptional piloting abilities. Apparently, this was not his first plane crash either. Spaceship One's first successful manned spaceflight. We have a historic turning point in human space exploration as Spaceship One writes itself into history. This cutting-edge spacecraft launched into the atmosphere with aviation trailblazer Burt Rutten at the controls with the goal of breaking through the limits of our atmosphere. A crowd of onlookers held their collective breaths as Spaceship One launched on its first successful manned spaceflight. This took place in 2004. The pilot and everybody watching felt a rush of adrenaline as the rocket-powered craft roared into the heavens. The dramatic ascent is captured on camera as the blue sky darkens to the void's pitch blackness. Spaceship One soared to a height of 62 miles or 100 kilometers in front of this cosmic backdrop, crossing the edge of space itself. The triumphant return, with Spaceship One gracefully gliding back to Earth, was equally as thrilling thanks to its groundbreaking feathering re-entry system. A historic first for private spaceflight, the spacecraft's touchdown was greeted with jubilant cheers. This significant accomplishment marked a significant advancement in our mission to solve the universe's mysteries. We've truly unlocked the stars for private citizens. Now for Mars. Red Bull Air Race competition moments. Hold on tight as we next enter the high-octane world of Red Bull Air Race, where daredevil pilots exhibit breathtaking aerial acrobatics while pushing the boundaries of speed and skill. This fast-paced competition has been enthralling audiences around the world since it began in 2003, with its thrilling maneuvers and jaw-dropping moments. Each race is a display of skill, bravery, and split-second decision-making. from the heart-pounding starts to the breathless finishes. Pilots compete against the clock and one another as they maneuver through the slalom-like course, showcasing the mastery of aerodynamics, G-force tolerance, and steely nerves. There have been many memorable moments in the Red Bull Air Race. These daredevils consistently push the limits of what's possible in the air, whether it be with tense photo finishes, flawless vertical climbs, or mind-blowing inverted passes. Beyond the excitement of the competition, the pilots are extraordinary people. They put in countless hours of practice, perfecting their abilities and painstakingly organizing their flight plans. They have a burning desire to push themselves beyond their comfort zones and an unwavering passion for aviation. The Red Bull Air Race is more than just a race. It's a celebration of human achievement, a display of unbridled talent, and a testament to these aerial athletes' unbreakable spirit. This is one sport that's really amazing to watch. Jetmans takeoff and vertical landing. Get ready to be transported into the world of science fiction. Jetman Vince Revit's feat of defying gravity with a takeoff from the ground and a mind-boggling vertical landing left onlookers breathless and their imaginations soaring in a surreal display of human ingenuity. The extraordinary moment of Revit effortlessly ascending against the very laws of nature is captured on camera. The crowd is in awe as he flies through the air, the ground thinning out beneath him. Seems as though the limits of human potential have been pushed and once fictional dreams have come true. Still, the wonder doesn't stop there. Revit once more defies expectations by landing vertically after a controlled descent. The crowd's cheers and applause echo throughout the atmosphere as they celebrate the triumph of human imagination and the unyielding spirit of exploration. The breathtaking performance not only demonstrated Revit's unmatched talent and courage, but it also pushes the boundaries of what we think is possible. It inspires us to aim higher and go beyond our preconceived notions of what's possible. Royal Navy jetpacks. Enter the world of cutting-edge military tech. Several Western armies, including the elite Royal Marines of the UK, are interested in this revolutionary device called the Gravity Industries jetpack. The Royal Marines are known for their rigorous training and relentless pursuit of new tech to enhance their capabilities, despite being smaller in size than their American counterparts. Recent experiments with the jetpack have shown that it can be used in a variety of situations. From a more recent deployment at the NATO Mountain Warfare Center for Excellence in Slovenia's Untamed Mountains to the daring HMS Tamar boarding incident. In the latter, the jetpack was instrumental in a difficult KCVAC operation, delivering life-saving blood plasma to a rescue team looking for a missing person in the perilous gorge in a timely manner. The Gravity Industries jetpack unleashes an incredible theoretical power of 1050 horsepower thanks to an array of 5 microturbine engines that are carefully placed on the pilot's arms and back. With this extraordinary propulsion, pilots can soar at thrilling speeds of up to 56 miles an hour. The discovery by Gravity Industries couldn't have happened at a better time, as the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, or DARPA, is currently looking into single-person aircraft for quick battlefield trips. Formation flight through Hangar. As we explore the thrilling world of what people call barnstorming, get ready for your heart rate to spike. 2 fearless pilots display astounding precision flying as they expertly maneuver their aircraft through the tight spaces of a hangar, leaving onlookers in awe and their hearts pounding. Every exciting moment is captured on camera, allowing viewers to see for themselves the sheer audacity and accuracy of these pilots. The planes fly through the hangar with a level of mastery that only a select few aviators can claim, and the intensity is palpable. Barnstorming is a prime example of the combination of talent, audacity, and innovation that characterizes the human spirit. It challenges the limits of conventional aviation and captivates audiences with its jaw-dropping maneuvers and life-threatening stunts. If there was no video for this moment, I don't think I'd believe it. 2 men jump into a plane from a mountain. 2 fearless wingsuit flyers raised the bar for extreme sports in 2018 with a daring display of human bravery and aerial dexterity. Their breathtaking stunt, which was caught on camera, involved base jumping from a massive cliff and landing inside a moving plane with astonishing precision. The wingsuit flyers took a leap of faith while perched on the edge and flew through the air while their blood was pumping with adrenaline. They expertly maneuvered their bodies through the air while expertly controlling their wingsuits to match the speed and trajectory of the aircraft with steel nerves and split-second timing. The pilots held their breath as the aircraft soared through the sky as they braced themselves for the seemingly unimaginable. And then it happened. A thrilling instance of flawless synchronicity as the wingsuit flyers effortlessly passed through the plane's open doors, landing safely inside the crew compartment. The video beautifully captures the thrill and sheer audacity of this amazing feat. Such a move requires a level of skill and accuracy that's absolutely mind-blowing, and I'm happy to leave this one to the professionals. Extreme Low Level F16. This happened somewhere around March 2009 over in Afghanistan. Fighter pilots are known for having incredible skill and nerves of steel. They're required to push their bodies and aircraft to the edge. One such maneuver is called a low-level flight. Fighter pilots are sometimes required to fly low to avoid enemy radar. They also have to worry about manned portable air defense systems as well. but on occasion you'll find pilots who absolutely push the envelope. This was captured by a soldier on the ground. Soldiers are seen speaking excitedly and seem to be waiting for something to happen. After a while, it becomes clear what's happening. An F-16 fighting Falcon fighter jet is approaching them, but so low that it's kicking up dust. The jet flies over the group's soldiers and they have to cover their ears from the noise as their vehicles are rocked. Next time someone brags about low-level flying, show them this video. That should shut them up. French helicopter rescues skier. A few years ago, a miraculous rescue took place amid the breathtaking scenery of Chamonix, showcasing the unwavering bravery of the French gendarmerie. A helicopter crew set out on a risky mission to rescue a trapped skier, their hearts racing with adrenaline. The helicopter maneuvered dangerous mountain passes with astounding precision as its rotor blades sliced through the Arctic air. The crew displayed their exceptional piloting abilities and steely nerves, with only centimeters separating them from merciless mountainside. Every adjustment and movement involved a delicate dance with danger. They braved the harsh terrain while the rescue specialists exited from the hovering helicopter, aware of the dangerous situation they were in. First ever drone aerial refueling. On a significant day in aviation history, the skies were witness to a remarkable technological and precise feat. The US Navy's unmanned X-47B aircraft reached new heights on a test flight on April 22nd of 2015. That's when it completed the first ever mid-flight refueling of an unmanned aircraft. The svelte drone effortlessly connected with an Omega K707 tanker and eagerly accepted more than 4,000 pounds of fuel as it flew over the Maryland coast. This groundbreaking accomplishment pushed the boundaries of what was previously believed to be possible in the field of autonomous aerial refueling. However, this wasn't the X-47B's first success. When it successfully executed takeoffs and landings from an aircraft carrier for the first time in 2013, it cemented its place in aviation history. Thank you all for watching, see you all next time.